I would actually say the single most dangerous assumption that I've seen businesses make over the years is that their insurance broker or agent, whatever you want to call them, the person that sells them the policy, knows what they're doing. Unfortunately, I think a lot of people come into the insurance agent broker business without a real insurance background, and they don't really understand what they're selling. And I've seen this happen over and over again with businesses that start small, as many do. And so they're working with, a Main Street type insurance agent. And that might work fine while they're small, but as they grow and become more sophisticated, they need more sophisticated types of coverages. Now, I'll give you an example. We had a client that was a food co-packer, meaning that they would package food products for different brands. And they had a situation where one of their ingredients was recalled. And so all the products that used that ingredient needed to be recalled. And they had a broker that was a Main Street type brokerage. The actual insurance broker that serviced them had no insurance background and came from a sales background. So he's very good at relationships, but he didn't know what coverage he was selling. And the kind of coverage he got them didn't respond to a voluntary recall. This was a situation where the FDA did not order the food co-packer to recall their products. So it was technically a voluntary recall, even though they knew if they didn't do it, there would be a mandatory recall. So the insurance company denied the claim. And so, ended up suing both the insurance company and the broker and eventually getting that case settled. But that's one where they assumed they would have had that coverage, but they didn't have that coverage. And we're talking about several $1 million in recall costs.